Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can update Fortnite on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here on the right you're gonna find your game library, where you're gonna find the list that includes all of the games installed on your PlayStation 5. Here you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And if you go here to the top, you're gonna find games, media. Here you're gonna find search, settings, and right here you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, basically guys, if you want to update Fortnite or any game on your PlayStation 5, it's pretty easy. All you need to do guys is go to the game you want to update, then go ahead and click on options. Once you do that, right here as you can see guys, you're gonna find check for updates, check sync status of saved data, manage game contents, delete information, intellectual property notice, and keep in home. So if you want to update, just go ahead and click on check for updates and then just wait for it to load. And as you can see guys, after that, if there is any updates available, you're gonna be able to download it. As you can see guys right here, it says the game or app you have installed is in the latest version. So basically guys, this game is up to date. If you want to update Fortnite or any game, or just check if it's up to date, just do the steps in this video. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.